Hi everyone, welcome to our science class. We started a new chapter in the last class about weather and season. Okay, there we discussed about weather deeply and all the points were clear to you, and there we discussed about what is weather and what are the elements or factors that affect the weather. That was the main topic that we discussed in the last class. Today we are going to study about a new part, that is season. Okay, I think this term you might have studied from the lower class itself. What is season or what are seasons? That point is also clear to you. Then also we will discuss in the class today. Weather, we discussed in the last class that sometimes it will be sunny or cloudy or rainy, or it will be some other, or windy, like that. Then in some areas or some places, this weather conditions or the factors of the weather that will continue for 3 or 4 months. That means 3 or 4 months it will be raining, or 3 or 4 months it will be sunny, or 3 or 4 months it will be very cloudy, like that it will be there, or it will be snowy in the morning. Okay, so the weather factors that will continue for more months, such a period is called season. Sometimes March, April, May, or April, May, June month, that will be extremely hot. Clear? That day what will be the condition? The sky will be very clear. Okay, sunrise very early and sunset very late. Day will be longer than the night. Daytime will be longer and it will be extremely hot. Such season is called what season? Such a season is called summer season. Such a season is called summer season. Okay, which is the main month of summer season? Look, April, May, and some part of the June also. April, May are the main month of the. So look there, in this month, what is the weather factor? That sunny. That weather factor continue for 3 or more months. Okay, such a period, such a time is called season. So some weather factors continue for months. Such a period is called season. Then first season that we have to study is summer season. That is April, May, June in where? In India, in our country. So in India, April, May, June is which season? Summer season. What are the other features of summer season? In summer season, how will be the sky? The sky will be clear and sunny. Okay, so sky will be very clear and sunrise early. Okay, sunrise early in the morning and sunset very late. Means daytime will be longer than night time. Daytime will be longer than the night. So what will be? We will be extremely hot, or heat. The condition will be extremely hot and we will start to sweat. Our body will be extremely sweating. Clear? And we will be having, or we will be interested to drink cool water or cool drinks, and we will use fan. In which season? Summer season. We will use air cooler. That also will be used where? In winter season? No, where? In summer season. And we will use air conditioner, AC will be used in which season? Summer season. So these are the factors, or these are the features of which season? Summer season. So summer season will be very hot season. Month is where, which are the month? April, May, June, and sky will be very clear. Sun will be extremely hot, and sun rise early and sunset late. Daytime will be longer than night. Okay. Yes, these are the features of summer season. Next season is the monsoon season. Monsoon season. It is also called rainy season. So you can imagine, or you can say now, what are the features? It will be raining throughout that season, or most part of the country it will be raining in this season, monsoon season. That's why it is also called which season? Monsoon season is also called rainy season. Clear? Why it will be raining in this season? Then the sky will be cloudy, dark and grey clouds will be there on the sky, and it will be cloudy, and it will not be so clear like summer season. In the summer season, sky will be clear, but here it will be cloudy and dark. Sometime it will be dark, and it will be, there will be black or grey clouds will be there in the sky. Okay. Then sometimes because of the heavy rainfall, there will be flood. River and pond, water will be overflown from the river and pond. Sometimes the water will enter into our field. Sometimes near our house water may come. Such problems will be there. Trees will be uprooted when there is flood. Clear? So flood will be there. Flood means Vellapokam. Yeah. So flood will be there when there is heavy rainfall. In which season? Monsoon season. Clear? Another thing, farmers, they depend upon which season? Monsoon season for starting the agriculture or for their crops. Before monsoon season, which season was? Summer season. There is no rain, no water. But when the monsoon rain come, the farmers start their field work, or their agricultural work they will start, or farming work they will start when the monsoon rain come. So farmers need this season for what? For starting their farming activity. Then which are the month related to monsoon season? Mainly it is June, July and August. These 3 months it will be heavy rainfall. We said June for summer also. First part of the June will be summer, then it will be starting the monsoon season. Okay, June, July, August, that is the main month related to monsoon season. Clear? And in the summer season, normally we use which kind of cloth? Cotton clothes we use to get protected from the extreme hot. Cotton clothes. Then here we use which kind of cloth? Raincoat we use in the case of monsoon season. Raincoat, Then we use umbrella also to be protected from the rain. Monsoon season we use cotton clothes. Here we use which kind of cloth? Raincoat and umbrella we use. And as it is raining full time or most of the time, in the monsoon season the climate will be cool, but it will be hot in which season? Summer season. Summer season climate will be hot, but here the climate will be, or the weather will be cool. That's why it is very pleasurable season. Okay. Yes. Next, which season we have to study? That is winter season. So next season is winter season. Winter season is the coldest season. Normally it is occurred in the month of December, January and February. This 3 months, that is the season for which, or that is the month for which season? winter season. Which are the months? December, January and February. These are the months related to what? Winter season. In the winter season, the weather will be very cold. Weather will be very cold, and what will happen? In these months, sunrise late. Sunrise late and set early. So what will happen? Daytime will be smaller than what? Night time. Day will be less and night will be more in this season. Then here we wear woolen cloth because it will be extremely cold. That's why we wear woolen cloth, and also sometimes we wear some coat or we wear some gloves or socks, something like that. So such kind of dresses may be worn in which season? Winter season, because of the extreme cold. Okay? Yes. So winter season is coldest season, month I told you. Then in this season we will be interested to take hot beverages. Hot beverages. Hot beverages means hot tea, hot coffee, or other some hot soup. Some such things are interested to take. And we will be also interested to sit near the fire or near the heaters to get heated, because it will be so cold in this season. So such a season is what? The winter season. And also in the winter season, sun shine mildly. Means sun will not be appeared completely and it will not shine completely. If it is shining completely, we will get heat and it will be okay, but we will be shivering. So sun shine mildly, less only. That's why the atmosphere or weather will be shivering or cold or coldest one. That is the season, that is winter season. Okay, so 3 seasons also discussed: summer season, monsoon or rainy season, then winter season. Okay, yes. Next we are going to study about how the weather conditions affect us. You know, weather conditions will be changing day by day. How it is affecting our body or affect our life? That is, some points are there. First, we have to be indoor, or we have to be inside the house or any building at the time of raining. Otherwise what will happen? If you are walking or moving through the rain without proper care, what will happen? We will be falling ill, we will have diseases. So stay inside any building at the time of raining. And some stormy day, fog will be there or smoke will be there in the road at the time of morning or in the morning when we wake up. Such situations, it is not safe for driving because road will not be clear. Okay, and when the climate is changing suddenly, when from summer season to rainy season, when it change, we may fall ill, cough, fever, cold, such problems will be there. So in that way also it is affecting our body. And another one, when the seasons are changing, summer season we have to wear cotton cloth, rainy season and winter season we have to wear raincoat, then woolen cloth. We have to change the type of cloth. That is also affecting our body. And different types of food materials. We will be interested to have cool drinks in the summer season, but hot beverages in the rainy season and winter season. So food is changing, dress is changing, that is also affecting our body. So these are all the points that we have to remember in the case where how it is affecting our body. Okay, next and the last part is weather forecasting. Weather forecasting. What is that? Weather forecasting means saying in advance, saying before itself, what will be the condition, what will be the weather condition tomorrow, what will be the weather condition of a particular place. That saying in advance, tomorrow what will be there, that is saying today itself. That process is called weather forecasting. saying beforehand what is happening tomorrow, what is happening next month, that is predicting or saying in advance, saying before, that is what is called what? Weather forecasting. Okay. Then they use it with the help of satellite. Satellites are there, so in the space, with the help of that satellite they are saying these things. Okay, that is called weather forecast. In detail you will study such things in the coming or future classes. Okay, one more point, the scientific study of the weather is called meteorology. Meteorology. Meteorology means scientifically study what about the weather. I told you now which are the types of weather, what is weather. These kinds of things are studied scientifically with the help of what? Satellite also. This scientific study about the weather is called meteorology. Okay. With this chapter is finished. So everything is discussed. Today what we studied? What we have studied today? First, season. Then which are the seasons? 3 seasons we explained: monsoon season, summer season and winter season. After that, how the seasons or how this weather is affecting ourselves or our body, that point is also explained. Then last, weather forecasting, saying what is happening in the future, that is called what? Weather forecasting. Then there one more term we studied, what? Meteorology, that is the scientific study of what? The weather. So these points are there to study in the 4th chapter. With this chapter is completed. So study very well. If you have doubt in any part, watch that part particularly, repeatedly, then study completely. Then we will continue with the next part or next balance of this chapter in the coming classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.